Hi Strike customers, James here from Assembly, just showcasing the new iPhone 15 Pro Cradle. This, as you can see, Apple have changed to the USB-C charging instead of the Lightning. So here it is docking. These come with USB-C to USB-C for fast charging, also compatible with your Apple CarPlay. All of our Cradles come with a built-in passive antenna, which is paired with our B2 and B3 range. These come in a few different mounting options. So you've got the professional install, which is a swivel mount, and a DC-DC, which will need to be hardwired by an auto electrician. Otherwise you can get the DIY install, which is a windscreen mount, how it's mounted at the moment. And that comes with a car charger which plugs into your cigarette port in your car. Also, you can purchase the Cradle as a head on our website and with some of our RAM products to suit your car. Also, there's some click-on options as well. So these are all available now at www.strike.com.au. Thank you.